Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I have these surprise rainbow cookies, which is another Easter cookie idea. I'll also be making this with the remaining dough and chocolate bunnies. In a previous video I show you how to make this colorful cookie dough, which I used to make these Pips inspired cookies. I'll leave the link below. So now I'm going to use the leftovers. So I'm going to take small pieces of each color and randomly place them together to get one whole dough of marble colors. I'm going to roll it out, having a couple of double rolls on each side for even thickness, and then I'm going to make sure that there are no spaces in between each color. So now I can start cutting out my shapes. I'm going to use this bigger circle for the surprise one and smaller circles for the single one. I'm going to repeat the process one more time, and with this I'm going to cut the inner circles for the surprise cookies. Cutting rings sometimes can be a little bit tricky, so what I do is I place my bigger cookie cutter and keep it in place, and then I press in the smaller one. Then I carefully transfer that to the baking sheet. You could also cut the bigger cookie, put it in the baking sheet, and then cut the inner ring. Once my cookies are cut out, I place the baking sheet in the fridge, and then I preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Once the oven comes to temperature, I bake the cookies for 9 to 11 minutes, keeping a close eye so they don't brown too much. In the meantime, I'm going to make the chocolate bunnies. I have melted chocolate in this Ziploc bag, and I'm going to cut just a little bit on the tip. Make sure that it's not too big or too small, and also that your chocolate is not too runny. And I have my template, and on top of it I'm going to put a plastic sheet cover, and now I'm going to start piping each shape with the chocolate. Then with a toothpick I'm going to even out the edges and make sure everything looks good. And now I'm going to use this sprinkle, which has the flower shape, which was perfect for the tail. I'm going to continue making all my shapes. I'm also going to use some brown chocolate. Let them dry for about 10 minutes, and then they can easily come off the plastic sheet cover. After my cookies have cooled down completely, I'm going to attach the chocolate bunnies using a little bit of melted chocolate. And now I'm going to assemble the surprise ring. So I have the bottom cookie upside down, and I'm using chocolate again to attach the ring. Now I'm gonna add mini chocolate chips. You could also use Nerds or mini M&Ms or any small candy. And now I'm going to attach the lid with a little bit of white chocolate. Here are the surprise cookies ready to go. And now I'm going to repeat the process with the smaller cookies. I'm only attaching one bunny in each. Let them dry for a few minutes, and then they'll be ready. I really love how colorful and festive these look. So have fun decorating, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.